Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'll just show you what Benidorm's like tonight. There's been a lot of people coming today. Getting more back to what it should be, Benidorm. You got Kyle in there, Stella for this. Still people on the beach. It's 27 degrees. Used to be loads of people coming today. You going home? Loads more coming in. Everywhere opening up. A lot of bars, a lot of music. I'm going to go down the strip later, bar strip. You know that later on, last time I did it we were a bit early down there I think. So we'll do a bit later for you this time. There's people everywhere tonight. Tell when we come out how many people there was here. If you're coming down to the front, there's a lot more people. So I should imagine there's been a few plane loads in today. Imagine there's quite a few Spanish coming today as well in August. Tomorrow. Lost Marcus and Sue at the moment. I think Marcus is doing a video up in front of me somewhere. Spotting him in all these. Loads of people out walking. Not too many in the bars, but it's probably enough. I don't know if they're restricted now to how many they can have inside. And again, it's that whole thing, what's inside and what's outside. I know it wasn't quite that simple. We had the lockdown last time. And the bars reopened. Outside seemed to be inside. Some of the bars, not getting hardly anybody in because it's all classed as inside. It was down to about 30% inside then. I don't think there's any restrictions on the bars at the moment. See if we can get a few more likes on this video. See if we can get 100 likes on here. Absolutely brilliant if we could. Feeling a bit of the odd one out here now. The Spanish are here now. Great to see everybody back, of course. I think as long as the numbers don't go up too much, that's going to be the end of it. Fingers crossed, of course. This is where they'll be making some of the money back now for last year. This month, well, next month. We're still in July at the moment, aren't we? '27 when we seen the temperature. It was a lot warmer than that down here. Well, them guys said Benidorm were going to die. We still need to get the Brits back, but maybe for next year, I think. There are some Brits coming over now. A few here at the moment. But it's not the masses it usually is. Just gonna have to watch that, see how it goes. Okay guys, don't forget, try and get 100 likes on this video. It'd be much appreciated if we can. 1,000 or more views would be nice. We'll see more from Benidorm, watch what's coming up on the screen. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.